Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. We have quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0 and it is said to find the value of x minus 2 whole power 21 minus x minus 3 whole power 21. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to e first. Now we will begin with the given quadratic equation, which I will write here. X square minus 5x plus 7 is there. So we'll write 6 plus 1 equal to 0. So from here x square minus 5x plus 6 will be minus 1. Now we can factor x square minus 5x plus 6 trinomial and we can write x minus 2 times x minus 3 equal to minus 1. And here we have x minus 3. If I will check our equation, x cannot be equal to 2, x cannot be equal to 3. So I can write here x minus 3 will be equal to minus of 1 over x minus 2, which we are going to plug in our required expression e. So we can write here e equal to x minus 2 whole power 21 minus, in place of x minus 3 we can write minus 1 over x minus 2 whole power 21. Now power is odd, minus 1 raised to the odd power will be minus 1. So we will write our required expression e x minus 2 whole power 21 plus 1 over x minus 2 whole power 21. Now we are going to use substitution. So I will consider x minus 2, suppose this is equal to y. So our required expression e will be y power 21 plus 1 over y power 21. This is our required expression e. Now we will put x minus 2 equal to y to our quadratic equation also. So I will write here x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 is our substitution y. So from this equation, if we will find x as a function of y, we can write x equal to y plus 2. Let us plug in the quadratic equation. We will get y plus 2 whole square minus 5 times y plus 2 plus 7 equal to 0. Now we will expand y plus 2 whole square. We will get y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 5y minus 10 plus 7 equal to 0. Or we can write y square, 4y minus 5y is minus y, 4 plus 7 is 11, minus 10 is plus 1 equal to 0. Now for our equation, y cannot be equal to 0. So we can divide both sides by y. So if I will divide here, I will write y minus 1 plus 1 over y equal to 0 over y is 0. So from here, we are getting y plus 1 over y value, which is equal to 1. So our target expression is y power 21 plus 1 over y power 21, and known equation is y plus 1 over y equal to 1. Let's solve. If I will write here y plus 1 over y, this is 1, and our required expression equal to y power 21 plus 1 over y power 21. Now I'll be squaring both sides. So y plus 1 over y whole square will be equal to 1 square. Let's use a plus b whole square identity. We will get y square plus 1 over y square plus 2 equal to 1. So from here we'll write y square plus 1 over y square. 1 minus 2, I will write minus 1. Again we will consider squaring both sides. So I will write here whole power 2. Whole power 2. We'll write y power 4, which is y square whole square, plus 1 over y power 4, which is 1 over y square whole square, plus 2 times y square times 1 over y square, that will give us 2, equal to minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So from here we'll be getting y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4 equal to negative 1. Now we will use this result. I will say this is our equation number 1. Now we will consider cubing both sides. So I will write y plus 1 over y equal to 1. Let's put power 3 both sides. Now we will use a plus b whole cube identity. So we will get y cube plus 1 over y cube, a cube plus b cube, plus 3 times ab, which will give us 3, times a plus b, which is y plus 1 over y, equal to 1 cube 1. Now y plus 1 over y is 1. So we can write here y cube plus 3 equal to 1. So from this equation we'll be getting our equation number 2, which is y cube plus 1 over y cube equal to 1 minus 3. We can write minus 2. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now we'll write our equation number 1, y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4. This is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1. Now we will multiply both the equations. So we can write 1 times 2. We will be writing y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4 times y cube plus 1 over y cube will be equal to minus 1 times minus 2. Now we have to multiply term by term. Y power 4 times y cube is y power 7. 1 over y power 4 times 1 over y cube. We will write 1 over y power 7 plus y power 4 times 1 over y cube is y plus 1 over y power 4 times y cube is 1 over y, and RHS will be 2. Now this is 1. So we will get y power 7 plus 1 over y power 7 equal to 2 minus 1. We can write 1. This is our equation number 3. Our target expression is y power 21 plus 1 over y power 21. So we need to consider cubing both sides. So we'll put power 3 here, and here also we'll write cube. Now we have to use a plus b whole cube formula here. So we can write y power 7 whole cube, y power 21 plus 1 over y power 7 whole cube, 1 over y power 21 plus 3 times y power 7 times 1 over y power 7, which will be 3, times y power 7 plus 1 over y power 7 equal to 1 cube is 1. Now this is, as per equation 3, value is 1. So we are going to get our answer, required expression E. This is E. E plus 3 times 1 equal to 1, or E plus 3 equal to 1. So from here we will get E equal to 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. So our required expression will be minus 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching.